Here we have our 4-ton coil. Changed out. We got our PVC running. Left the gap here in case in the future you gotta check inside the coil. You have enough space between here. Gotta put the dryer recommended by the manufacturer to go up here, close to the TXB. Secondary pan, secondary running out. Coil's facing this way because of the airflow. And the furnace is on the opposite. Leveled it in already. Okay, here's the front of it. Here's the unit with the clogged filter dryer, been replaced with the new day and night. It's been running for about 5 minutes. We have a subcooling of 10 required. Right there. We're at 1.8. Gonna let it run for a little bit more and we'll check it again. Okay, we're right on target. We have our subcooling of 10.8, superheat of 16. Had to charge it up a little bit. We have a long line to it.